welcome to another episode at Tiger Labs. Today we'll be trying to create our own function which takes a URL and gets that image in our extension as we want. Maybe like if the image on the web is a PNG and we want to have it in a JPEG, we can do that by just specifying it. So I want you to open your terminal and just type in here pip install pillow, and we also need requests. I trust many of you might have already downloaded that for external projects, but here's how you download it if you haven't. Now Pillow is a library that will allow us to work with images, and a request that will basically handle all the from how we get the image. So I've already done that, so let me just clear this and let's get started. So we'll be needing three important libraries which will import directly: import requests, import from pill, import image, and from IO, that's just a standard library, import bytes IO. Great. And now we'll just define the function here, def download. I'll define it get image, and you will need two statements here. First is the URL and the path we want to save it in, so save path, so the output path basically. So here we will send an HTTP request to the URL of the image, so response equals request.getURL. And so if the response was successful, that means if response dot status code equal 200, that's the successful one, and with image data equal response content. Next, we will open the image. That means image equals to response dot content, and oh sorry, that was the wrong one. Image dot open bytes IO and image data. This will open the image, and next it will just save the image, so image dot save path. Great. Else it will print out error, and we'll just display the response code, response dot status code. Great. And that's it. That was all you need to do actually. And so let's just check it out. Name equal main, get image, and for that I'll just search a quick image from the internet and get back to you. And I found an image, and this is just a space image, so let me just copy the URL and we'll see. And the minute that tab, and URL is that. Okay, sorry, I forgot I need to put in quotations. Okay, there you go, don't mind that. And next you'll just want to save it in the test file. So let me just copy this path and note that remove these double marks here. I don't know, Windows does that by default. And now Python can't read this because they are in the escape sequence, so be sure to change them. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and run the code, and it will work fine for you. Okay, and I know now. So the problem that here happened here that we need to specify how we want to save the image as. So I'll just name it youtube.png maybe, and let's try that again. Great, and let me open my test folder for you guys, and there you go. We have the image here, and it looks perfectly fine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and share this video to your friends, and click on the bell so that you don't miss any notifications. Until next time, bye.